Hello friends, hope all is well at your end. How is your summer season? Are you enjoying lots of summer fruits? Sometimes it happens that we buy some fruits and they turn out to be not sweet or unripe. So we can use our creativity and make a nice dish out of it. Today's dish is one such which I'm making with grapes. The grapes are a little bit sour, so I thought why not make a sabzi with it. So today we are going to make a curry with grapes and paneer together. Angoor or paneer ki sabzi. It tastes very good. I've tried it once before also. So today I'm going to share the recipe with all of you. So shall we get started?
Angoor or paneer ki sabzi. Grapes and paneer curry. For this we'll require tomato puree made from 3 tomatoes. This is homemade. Check out the link. I have already posted this video how to make it at home. Grapes 1 small bowl. Paneer 1 small bowl. It's about 150 grams. 1 or 2 green chillies finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi. Salt to taste. And for spices, we have taken turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon, and Garam masala half teaspoon. Unsweetened khoya or Mazaa 2 tablespoons. Cream and cashew nut paste 2 tablespoons. Usually I make this and keep it ready in the freezer. It comes very handy. And ghee and oil as required. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's proceed to make the curry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We have to be liberal with ghee and oil in this curry. Once it is hot, add the cumin seeds. Toss them, allow them to crackle a bit. Green chillies go in next. Give it a stir and add the tomato puree. It tastes better with homemade tomato puree. Cover and cook it till the oil separates. Now add salt to taste. There's no onion, no ginger, no garlic in this curry. Add all the spice powders. It really tastes good, so delicious like restaurant style. Give it a nice mix. Cover and simmer for half a minute so that all the spices are blended with the puree. Now add the unsweetened khoya or Mazaa. You get this easily in the stores these days. I'm using the Amul brand, it's very good. Mash it up very well with the spatula. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now the khoya has melted very nicely into the gravy. Looks lovely, isn't it? Add paneer cubes at this stage. If you wish to fry the paneer, you can do that, but I don't usually because I'm using malai paneer. Now cover and simmer for half a minute or so until all the spices and juices absorb into the paneer pieces. Now dip in the grapes. Give it a nice stir. Add about half cup of water. Cover the lid and cook it on low flame. In between, open the lid and stir gently so that the gravy doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Check the salt. You can adjust the salt and spice level to your liking. After 1 minute of simmering, open and again stir it. Now you can stir in the cream and cashew nut paste. This gives a lovely color and texture to the gravy. Sprinkle crushed Kasoori methi and continue cooking until the curry is done. After 2 to 3 boils, it should be done. The gravy looks thinner now, but it will thicken on keeping. You can enjoy this delicious curry on even Farali days because it has no ginger, no garlic and no onion. Yet it looks so delicious and divine. You can enjoy it with rotis, naans, parathas. I've served it with lachha paratha. Let's do the tasting. So yummy. The gravy is amazing. A bit sweet, a bit tangy, spicy. The combination of all the flavors. Do give it a try. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos in case you want to have a look at them. Click on the link. Bye until next.